Good Friday! What are we making today? We're making a Trinidad sandwich. That's right. Using my nemesis Miracle Whip and some cherries. It's from the 60s. It's from the 60s. That's what I said. I came across a couple of Miracle Whip recipe print ads. It piqued my interest. You may know I don't like Miracle Whip. I never have. My whole life, my father loved Miracle Whip. I would make my father tuna salad sandwiches. It had to be made with Miracle Whip, otherwise he wouldn't eat it. It's awful! But what caught my attention, raisin bread. It doesn't say to toast it. I want to toast it, but we're not going to. We're going to follow this little simple sandwich suggestion. It's called a Trinidad sandwich, open-faced. We've got raisin bread covered with Miracle Whip, lettuce, ham, cheese slices, pineapple. There's a dab of Miracle Whip and a cherry on top. Show the picture. I've never had Miracle Whip this way. We're gonna have to try it. Here's our favorite blue plate. Untoasted raisin bread, Miracle Whip. I can't see the Miracle Whip on the bread in the picture, but it says to put it on the bread. Lettuce. Use the ruffled lettuce, that's what they used. One slice of ham. They show 2 slices of cheese. 2 slices of American cheese. Dry off the pineapple so it doesn't drip. Right in the center. Let's mix some Miracle Whip up in a ramekin so it's nice and creamy. Let's just get a whole bunch out. Let's just stir it up so it's nice and creamy when I dollop it on the sandwich. I never buy these. I've used them in a couple of recipes here. Day-Glo Red. Let's put the dollop on. I need my other glasses. All right, here we go. A dollop. Oh, is that enough? Beautiful. Cherry. Oh, wow. Is that kind of weird? That's kind of weird. Do I pick this up with my hands? We gotta eat the cherry. That's what we gotta do. Cherry. Yeah, obviously the cherry goes. They show the cherry in the print ad. It's not in the directions. Well, if we're gonna take a bite, let's take a bite. I am not ready to use a fork and knife. Trinidad sandwich, sans cherry. Raisin bread's a little sweet. I think I don't like Miracle Whip because it is sweet, but that wasn't horribly bad. I think we have to get in a little bit to get more of the pineapple, but I did get pineapple. Let's try it again. Kraft. This is a Kraft print ad from the 60s, Trinidad sandwich. That's not bad. That's better than I thought it would be. I don't like Miracle Whip. There's a little Miracle Whip on the knife. Let's try it. No, I don't like Miracle Whip on its own, but the ham, cheese, and pineapple, raisin bread, you know what? The cherry actually makes it kind of fun if you served it to your kids, or in the 60s. If you served this with a cherry on top, it's kind of fun. so far, I'm not totally disappointed. In a weird way. The saltiness of the ham and cheese, the sweetness of the pineapple, and Miracle Whip, it's kind of balancing itself out. I'm surprised. They showed 2 slices of cheese and 1 slice of ham. That's what we did. Thanks for joining me this Friday. Oh, we got to take a bite. That's what we do. Okay. Oh. That broke off. I don't dislike it. I don't hate it. It's pretty good. It's kind of fun. You know what I'm going to say?